Welcome in this video. Are you someone who is really looking forward to getting the right career growth, getting better financial package, getting better career opportunities, getting into your dream organization like Google, Infosys, Accenture, KPMG, Deloitte, Tata Group, Reliance, and for that you want to get into top MBA college. So this video is specifically recorded for all the girl students who are currently in the final year, who are focusing on their masters now, or you are someone who is recently graduated and now you want to get into top college, or if you are a working professional and want to get into the fast leadership career path. If you fall into this category, then this video is for you. So what is the flow of this video today? मैं यहाँ पे डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ कि why you should pursue MBA as a top career opportunity in 2023. This is going to be my focus. I'm going to include latest reasons, most updated reasons why this particular career path is the game changer, specifically for girls who are currently in the final year, graduation, or in working professional space. This is going to be very important. And at the end of this video, I'm also going to give you a super special gift to all of the women who are targeting their top MBA college, or all the girls who are in the final year or in the graduation. Now let's get started. So the reason why you should do MBA at this point of time in terms of doing your masters, first of all, let's talk about what should be your mindset. In terms of the mindset, देखो सबसे पहला जो point है वो है goals. Okay? अगर आपको लाइफ में बड़ा गोल है, if you want to really do exceptionally well, आपको बड़ा कुछ करना है, आपका फोकस है कि आप फाइनेंशियल ग्रो करें, आप अच्छा पैकेज लेके आए, आप 20 लाख, 30 लाख, 40 लाख, 50 लाख के पैकेज में जाना चाहते हैं, आप बहुत लर्निंग करना चाहते हैं, आप बहुत डेवलपमेंट करना चाहते हैं, आप बिजनेस की नॉलेज लेना चाहते हैं, आप नेटवर्क्स बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं, आप टॉप फैकल्टी मेंबर से सीखना चाहते हैं, आप लाइक माइंडेड लोगों के साथ ग्रो करना चाहते हैं, आप एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं, अपने आप को डेवलप करना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द परफेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी, देन MBA इज द बेस्ट चॉइस फॉर ऑल सच पीपल. सबसे बड़ा गोल आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए कि आप कुछ बड़ा करना चाहते हो. अगर ये आपका गोल है लाइफ के अंदर, तो MBA आपको इन सब चीज़ों को अचीव करने के लिए हेल्प करेगा. सो फर्स्ट इज यू नीड, इफ़ यू हैव अ बिग गोल एंड यू वांट टू अचीव समथिंग वेरी बिग, देन MBA इज द ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी. सेकेंड पॉइंट, फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस. Specifically for the girls who are currently in the early age of their career, you are looking forward to financial independence. That means you really want to help your family. You want to live life on your own terms. You need to have future security irrespective of how things go in the future. आप अभी से अपने आप को प्रॉपर तरीके से खुद के दम पे खड़ा करना चाहते हो. उसके लिए you want to at least make 1.5 lakh rupees a month, 2 lakh rupees a month, 3 lakh rupees a month as a consistent flow of income. And for that, if you are looking forward to perfect way to get it, MBA is that perfect way. Get the financial independence in a very short span of time. Third thing that really matters in today's time for doing MBA is a leadership career path. When you do MBA from top college, as a girl, as a working professional, you are going to get into the leadership career opportunities. That means कि आपको बहुत ही strategic work मिलेगा, आपको बहुत अच्छी कंपनीज मिलेगी, आपको टॉप लेवल रोल मिलेंगे, जिससे आप आपके करियर में बहुत फास्ट ग्रो कर पाओगे, आप बहुत जल्दी अपने आप को डेवलप कर पाओगे एज अ लीडर. सून आफ्टर डूइंग मास्टर्स फ्रॉम MBA कॉलेजेस, टॉप MBA कॉलेजेस, आप CEO, CHRO, CFO, CMO बहुत जल्दी बन सकते हैं. तो ये ऑल ऑफ द गर्ल्स और स्टूडेंट्स जो कि इस डायरेक्शन में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल की कैपेबिलिटी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए ये गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है. सो इफ़ यू हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ माइंडसेट, देन MBA is the go for option for you. Now let's talk about what should be your strategy for getting into top college. सबसे पहला पॉइंट है, you need to target top MBA colleges in India. You need to focus on doing MBA from top colleges only. In India, we have more than 60 colleges that gives great packages, great placement, great ROI that can change the trajectory of your career. आपकी financial independence बहुत अच्छी हो सकती है, सक्सेस चांसेस बहुत हो सकती है, और इन 60 कॉलेजेस के अंदर आप हज़ारों सीट्स के अंदर आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो और आपके सक्सेस चांसेस बहुत बेटर है. गर्ल्स के लिए ये एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, क्योंकि ये एक कॉर्पोरेट करियर होते हैं, ये एक मैनेजमेंट ड्रिवन करियर होते हैं, जहाँ पे आप अच्छे से अपने लाइफ को फ्यूचर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी सस्टेनेबल बना सकते हो और उस एरिया में ग्रो हो सकते हो. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू 6 colleges which will change your view, your career path for doing MBA. So let's talk about it. So I'm going to write top colleges for girls who are undergraduate, graduate or working professional. First college that you should target is definitely FMS Delhi. This is the golden opportunity which gives you maximum package ROI. So FMS Delhi is go for option. Second, you should target TIS Mumbai. Again, this is golden opportunity for all the girls because TIS value diversity, TIS value people from diverse background and the package is super high. Third, JBIMS, Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies. Again, this is a golden opportunity for all the girls who are looking forward to getting into top college because this college value diversity, it is in Mumbai, great ROI, great package, everything. Fourth, you should target Institute IIMs, Indian Institute of Management. Again, this also value women who bring diversity, उनको diversity के भी points मिलते हैं, ये सब चीज़ें भी मिलती है. Fifth, you should target institute like NMIMS, Narsim Munshi Institute of Management Studies, which is again a game changer for women, for girls जो कि अपना career MBA के through build करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा support दिया जाता है. Sixth is the Symbiosis group of colleges. This is also a golden opportunity for all of you. So these are the 6 colleges that you should target: FMS Delhi, TIS, JBIMS, Indian Institute of Management, Narsim Munshi and Symbiosis. So these are the golden gates and opportunity for girls and early professional जो अपने life में इस direction में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं. So this is your step number 1. Now if I talk about the step number 2, once you have identified these colleges, these 6 colleges, the second step for you is focusing on which all exams you can get into through these colleges, right? So let's talk about which all exams you have to target for getting into these colleges. Let's talk about FMS Delhi. For getting into FMS Delhi, you have to target CAT exam. Second, Tata Institute of Social Science, you have to target TIS NET exam. Third, JBIMS. You can get into JBIMS through multiple exams like CMAT, CAT. So you can target all of this exam. Fourth, IIMs, CAT exam, NMIMS, Narsim Munshi, NMAT exam, Symbiosis, SNAP exam. So you have to give CAT, you have to get CMAT, NMAT, TISNET, SNAP and NMAT exam. These are the exams that you need to target to get this kind of career path, high package, placement, better role, better company, maximum ROI and financial independence that you are looking forward to, leadership career. So this is your step number 2. The step number 3 is once you have identified all these colleges that you are going to target as an aspirant, these all exams you have to target as a person. Now you need to know what will be the syllabus of these exams. What are the scores you need to get to clear these exams? And what are the selection process of these colleges so that you can prepare start to end. One of the mistake people make is they focus just only on entrance. And if you are a girl who is starting her career in the undergraduation final or working professional, I'm sure you do not have much time to fail and figure out things. You are looking forward to one shot selection. So you focus on complete selection process, which include entrance exam, profile building and final rounds, so that you can right away prepare yourself to get success in one attempt. So this is your step number 3. Now what should be your approach to implement this strategy in real action? Step number 1 for you is to get clarity about the placement report of these colleges. So you should go and check FMS Delhi placement report. You should go and check this HRM and LR placement report. You should check JBIMS placement report. You should check IIM's placement report, NMIMS placement report, Symbiosis placement report. So you can get clarity that how you can get right career path by getting into these colleges. Step 2, decide what is the package you are looking forward to. What are the companies you are targeting? So once you decide that, then you know which all path you want to go forward to, right? Third, you need to do proper assessment, like where you are today and where you want to go. उसके लिए आपको आज प्रॉपर असेसमेंट की ज़रूरत होगी कि किस एरिया में आपकी कितनी स्ट्रेंथ है, आप कॉन्ट में कितना हो, वर्बल में कितना हो, रीजनिंग में कितना हो, डीआई में कितना हो, इंटरव्यू राउंड में कितना हो, जीडी में कितना हो. इन सब चीज़ों के लिए आपको एक प्रॉपर असेसमेंट की ज़रूरत होगी. These are the ways that you need to take care of. So quick recap. माइंडसेट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में आपको बड़ा सोचना होगा, फाइनेंशियल ग्रोथ, फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस, लीडरशिप करियर, नेटवर्क, एलुमनाई, बिल्डिंग प्रोफेशनल कैपेबिलिटी, लर्निंग, बिल्डिंग द एक्सपोजर, डूइंग इंटर्नशिप्स, केस स्टडी कॉम्पिटिशंस एंड ऑल। तो ये आपका माइंडसेट अगर है तो आपका स्ट्रेटेजी है फोकस ऑन FMS, TIS, JB, IMS, IIM, NMIMS, Symbiosis, target exams like CAT, TISNET, NMAT, CMAT, SNAP. Okay. For that, focus on complete selection process, that is the entrance, profile building and final rounds. For that, you need to first check placement report, decide what kind of companies you want to go forward to, what kind of package you need, and then do your assessment. And if you are super serious, and this opportunity is only for girls who are in the final year, working professional or graduated. If you are super serious about your career path and you want expert guidance, I'm opening 5 slots where I'm going to provide proper expert guidance to you through my top experts who will get in touch with you and will design how to implement this strategy for your one-shot selection. This is only open for the 5 opportunities, and the link is provided in the description. You will find a calendar link where you can click on the link and book an appointment. I only have few slots for this particular opportunity, so make sure you are taking full advantage of it. Anytime this video can be ended, so make sure you are going on the description and joining that particular thing. In the future also, if you are looking this after some days or weeks, then also you can check and on the link, if the slots are open, you can apply. So I wish you all the best, and I want you to get best career opportunities, financial freedom and leadership career to secure your future, irrespective of what is there in the future, right? So you need to secure yourself. For that, just click on the link and take your first step and move to the next journey. All the best. Keep transforming for greatness. Best of luck for your selection.